Slaps means the following word is a big smack in the face. To reduce it to its most basic sense, it means to exceed or amaze. You've probably heard the word slap used in connection with music, such as in the phrase, "This tune really slaps." Another term from the past that has made a comeback is this slang term. In the middle of the 1800s, it was used as an adjective meaning of first-rate, and even earlier. In the middle of the 1700s, it was used as an adverb meaning excellently. Slaps were being used to honor a wide variety of accomplishments by at least the early 2000s, ranging from excellent music to delicious cuisine. Hip-hop lingo from the Bay Area is frequently credited as having originated the musical slap. There are a lot of other slang names that use force and motion to characterize outstanding music. Some examples of these terms are bops, whips, and slaps. A song that absolutely thumps can be referred to as a banger.